Hello, Zalalam from 10620 IsaacTube. Today we will continue our exercise on inheritance and see sequence of constructor. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, like, comment and share. So to demonstrate constructor sequence or execution of constructor sequence, let's add one more constructor in the shape class so that okay, and let's add this statement in all the constructors, and now we can demonstrate the sequence of constructors with the super keyword as well as without the super keyword. Okay, so here let's go to our main class and initialize rectangle. Okay, we have provided width and height. Let's check whether we have got print statement here. So it will say I am the child class, and here we will say I am the parent constructor, and let's make it there. And now we have got the class being instantiated, and see the sequence the constructor is being executed. Okay, so here we will have, so we called the constructor I am the parent constructor and I am the child constructor. Okay, so what will happen if we don't call the superclass? Let's check that one. Still we have got I am the parent constructor and I am the child constructor. So that means always if you initialize the child class, whether you use the super keyword to call the parent class constructor or not, always the constructor of the parent class will execute before the child constructor. Okay, so this is very important to understand in using the inheritance behaviors or characteristics in the Java programming activities. That is for this video. Thank you for your time.